strong. God is strong below me. Me talk, thank you.